Hey everyone, and welcome back to the workshop. I got a couple of Sears specials here for you. Elgin's. Elgin's. Not Sears. But is it? Or is it Ilco? Well, it's both. Elgin locks. They're a Ilco branded, or a differently branded lock made by Ilco for retail by Sears and Roebuck Company. Both of these are pretty old. I couldn't date either one of them except for the one on the left. I would have to say pre-1940s, the one on the right. Possible same time zone. I really couldn't find a whole lot on the brass-bodied ones. Yeah. If a lot of you wanted to know what Elgin locks were, I know you've seen them around if you were looking at vintage locks before. And maybe you've looked up the company before, but it's not an Elgin lock company. It's actually made by Ilco for Sears. So let's go ahead and see about picking these. One's a pin tumbler and one's a wafer. Wafer locks, typically not too difficult to pick. I know I've struggled on a wafer lock here and there before, but that's always with single pin picking them. I do not rake locks. I just don't like doing it. I always like the single pin picking. Every once in a while I like zipping locks. It's almost like picking them. But there we go. Not much resistance in this one. This one might be a different story. He's a little bit gummy, so I had to shoot some special sauce down inside of that one. So let's see about putting a pry bar in it. See if a 50 thousandths fits, and it does not. I've got a 40 thousandths here. There we go. That fits nice. And I might be able to use the same pick. It's Bobby Key's special right here. I love this pick. That's pin 2. I'm actually catching myself on the warding here some. Let me see about picking from this ledge, see if that's possible. That was pin 2, pin 3, nothing on 1, ooh, doing some sliding off. That pick's just a little bit too tall. I know I got a really short hook here somewhere. That ought to work. This one being as gummy as it is, not sure if I'll even be able to pick it. In hand, at least. I'll give it one more shot and I'll stick her in the vise. Yeah, I can't feel anything, so stick it into the vise. I always get a little bit better feeling when I do it this way. There we go. Get the camera nicely adjusted there. All right, so back to the 40 thousandths pry. I'll go with a short hook again. It's been soaking in Tri-Flow for the last hour or so. So let's see about getting into it now. Sometimes that's all it takes is just a little bit of lubrication. Click from 2. Click from 5. Okay, there's a click out of the back there on 4. Oh, there's one. I knocked my tension wrench out. And we've got an open. All right. So, yeah, definitely had a sticking pin in this thing. So a couple hours soaking in some Tri-Flow took care of it. So, guys, if you're wondering where these Elgin locks come from, now you know. So, yeah. Elco, custom branded under the Elgin name for Sears and Roebuck. Well, folks, thanks for coming. Stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you see a lock out there in the wild and you don't have the key for it, don't stick a pick in it.